Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you are getting this type of notification on your iPhone or iPad device, important camera message, unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple camera. So if you are getting this type of pop-up on your iPhone or iPad device when you open camera, so how you can fix this type of problem and how you can disappear this type of pop-up on your iPhone or iPad device. So first of all, here you will need to close this. After that, here you will need to open setting on your iPhone device. Then here you will need to scroll it below, then tap on general, then tap on software update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then after doing so, you will need to close this. After that, here you will have to restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, and here press the power button until the Apple logo appears. So here let's get started how you can restart your iPhone. So here press the volume up button, then volume down, and then here press the power button until the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen. So here you will have to hold until the Apple logo appears. So Apple logo appears, you will have to release your finger, then here let your iPhone device to restart, wait a while. So after that, here you will have to unlock your device. Then after that, now open your camera application. So here you'll need to open camera. So after that, here now you can see that the problem has been fixed on my iPhone device. So in this way, if you are getting this type of notification, in this way you can fix this type of error on your iPhone or iPad device, and in this way you can disappear this type of notification if you are getting this type of notification on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.